Hi team, Sarah here, your Easy Adapted PE veteran. Today I'm here for part 2 of CAPE certification. So last time we talked about what it is, why it's important, and what the eligibility requirements are. Today we're going to get into what to expect, how to study for it, and what do you do once you pass. Remember, like, subscribe, ring the bell, all the things. Please leave a comment. I'd love to know if somebody's passed the exam before, what they thought of it. Now that you have your CAPE certification, do you feel like it's opened doors for you? Definitely leave a comment at the bottom. So first we're going to talk about what to expect. APENS exam is offered online in most cases. It is offered at some select conferences, but it's offered throughout the year. 100 multiple choice questions in 3 hours, drawn from content in each of the APENS standards. So you really want to know those standards in order to pass this exam. Recommended test materials are the official APENS text, the 3rd edition, I believe right now. Don't super quote me on that, but I believe it's the 3rd edition, and the web study guide with the practice questions. I found those very helpful when I did my exam. As of right now, the fee is $250. Initial certification, the exam administration and scoring. So that's the initial one. If you've already passed it and you're just getting recertified, it's a completely different fee. What are the 15 standards? Hopefully we know this, but if not, that's cool. That's what I'm here for. That covers human development, motor behavior, exercise science, instructional design, teaching, and much more. If you are working full-time, I have a realistic, it's called a 30-day sprint, right? And so it's a realistic 1-month plan in order for you to stay on track and pass this exam. Week 1, you're skimming the APENS overview, do a baseline quiz from the study guide just to see where you're at, right? Just like we do with our kiddos that we're teaching, we want to get a baseline and see where is our knowledge at this point. And that's going to help you find those areas of improvement for yourself for the APENS exam. So find those like weaker spots and what is it that I really need to focus on. Week 2, you're going to deep dive into 5 of the standards. So 5 of the standards that maybe you were on the weaker side of, deep dive into those and take those practice questions, at least 15 of them. And for week 3, you're going to deep dive the remaining standards and go ahead and build yourself some cheat cards. So some little cards that show you definitions, legal terms, estimate protocols. So this is just something to help quiz yourself. If you can't always be on the computer and be using that, you have these little cards you can carry with you whenever you have a free minute just to check them over. So then week 4, you're going to do 2 full-length time blocks, 100 multiple choice questions in 3 hours. Then you'll do like a targeted retouch of your weak area. So from those 2 blocks, you're going to go ahead and see, okay, this is what I'm still not doing so hot on. These are the points that I really need to pick up on, and then study those again. And then I'm telling you, you are going to be ready for this exam. So CAPE is not a one and done certification. It operates on a 7-year cycle. To recertify, you can take the current exam again. So in 7 years, you can retake it, or you can submit a portfolio. You're going to register at NCPED's APENS site. And there is a link down below so you can click on it and get right to APENS, right to the NCPED site, right to APENS, and go ahead and register or download the study material, purchase the book, all of those things just to get yourself started and rolling. That's all I have for you guys today. Thank you for coming. Like, subscribe, all the things, and I'll see you guys next time.